As you can see, this is a very beautiful monkey. It's not absolutely stunning, but it's still pretty neat. Today, we're going to...
No, sorry. I don't need for this to be a BBC documentary.
But why not?
This is my video, not yours. Fine, I'll leave. But I would definitely need an apology.
Yada.
Complain
all you want.
Just get out!
You know what? Whatever. I'm just gonna leave.
Sorry about that. Anyway, we're gonna be taking a look inside this monkey. It's a 360 video. Crazy, right? You can look all around if you're gonna pay for this. What did I say? Get out! Oh my God. Can you just not right now? Anyway, wait, what was I talking about again? Oh yeah, this is a 360 video, so you can look around in any direction if you want. Also, just to clarify, this is a test video. Just so that I can try and make a 360 video. Okay, let's go. Through the mouth seems good. Man, it's pretty dark in here. Let's add some lights inside. That's better. Anyway, I can go out the left ear, the right ear, and the nostrils as well. I can also go outside and look at the monkey. Full view, here we go. So yeah, I think that's all I really want to do for this video. I think I'm about done. So I just want to say goodbye, There is no way a bloke like you could win against a fight with me. Try me. Boo-hoo, I'm gonna cry and want you. Don't say that to me. Come on.